Good morning, sir. This is Harini from 2nd BTech CSC B section in Srinivas Ramanujan Institute of Technology, Anantapur. My roll number is 244G5800507. Today my topic is nested queries and subqueries. Firstly, we introduced queries. Query means a question. In a database management system, a query is a request for information or data retrieval from the database. Queries are written in a query language with SQL being the most common. SQL means a structured query language. In this database, we mostly use the SQL or PLSQL. Types of queries. Queries types. Simple queries, complex queries. In this complex queries, nested queries and subqueries are there. What is a subquery? A subquery is a SQL query nested inside another SQL query. The subquery means SQL. In this SQL query, nested query is called a subquery. It can be used in various places, such as in the select, where, or from clauses. Subqueries allow you to perform operations that require multiple steps or filter results based on other queries' output. We can use this for single line outputs, and we can use multiple outputs at a time, or multiple statements or queries execute at a time using subqueries. Purpose of subquery: filtering data, data transformation, modular queries, multi-step queries. Types of subqueries: single row subquery, multiple row subquery. Example of subquery: select customer name from customers. We can select the customer name from customers table, where customer ID in select customer ID from orders. We can select the customer ID from orders table. Group by customer ID having some order amount greater than. We can print customer name from customers table where the order amount greater than 1000. In this example, subquery is select customer ID from orders, group by the customer ID having some order amount of greater than 1000. Inner query or subquery: select customer ID from orders, group by customer ID having some order amount greater than 1000. Retrieve a list of customer IDs for customers whose total orders exceeded greater than 1000 rupees or dollars. Outer query: select customer name from customers where customer ID in uses the result of subquery to filter the customers table and return the names of those customers. We cannot use this inner query. We can print all the customers' names in customers table. We can use this subquery. We can use sorted customer names only. What is a nested query? A nested query, also known as a subquery, is a SQL query that is embedded within another SQL query. It allows you to execute a query inside the context of another query, enabling more complex data retrieval and manipulation. Nested query is also same as subquery. Some purposes and types. Nested query and subquery is same as purposes types. It is also used in the inner side of the query. It also executes at a time more number of queries. Purposes of nested query. Nested queries are useful for breaking down complex queries into simpler parts, filtering results based on aggregated data. Breaking down complex queries into simpler parts means that means the large complex query also break down into simpler parts. Which query you have required, that query only we executed. Performing calculations or conditions based on another query's results. Advantages: simplified queries, modular design, enhanced filtering, aggregation and calculation, existent checks, improved readability, correlated subqueries, dynamic results, reduced complexity in joins. Disadvantages of these queries: complexity, limited functionality, maintainability, scalability, concerns, performance issues, potential for Cartesian products, difficulties in optimization. Differences in subquery and nested query. Mainly these differences are there. Definition of the subquery. Any query embedded within another query. Definition of nested query. A specific type of subquery that emphasizes its hierarchical structure. Independence of the subquery can be independent, non-correlated, or dependent correlated. Nested query independence typically depended on the outer query. The nested query is only the nested query is dependent on the main query, and the subquery is dependent or non-independent. Everywhere it works. Complexity of subquery can vary in complexity for simple to complex. Nested query complexity implies a higher level of complexity due to multiple layers. Conclusion: subqueries allow for flexible and dynamic querying by embedding one query within another, enabling filtering, aggregation, and conditional logic. Nested queries emphasizes the hierarchical structure of these embedded queries, often indicating a greater level of complexity and interdependence between the queries. Higher level structure means hierarchical structure means tree-like structure. Both serve to simplify complex SQL statements, improve readability, and allow for modular query design. Thank you, sir.